Douye Diri suwe me governor, no be mistake. Douye suwe me governor, no be mistake. Lawrence Orijagbo suwe me deputy, no be mistake. Nana we dovara, Jehovah get dovara, Nana we dovara.
Yes, my people, there's prosperity governor in action. We did for inside the YENAGOA new city to give us the night view of the beautiful work when it be say the governor don't do. And if you can see, we can call this road a coastal line because it is close to the river. Now, my brother, please bring the camera come. Now you see this road. This one on road 1, you can see the solar light when it day with side walkway. Now you can see the beauty of this walk. Now check this road, beautiful. Then for front, the legislative quarter and the commissioner's quarters, they inside. You can see the great job that has been done by the prosperity governor. So guys, let us continue to join together to promote good governance and to promote our state on a positive light. Because the more we do that, investors going to come into the state to invest. And the governor have spent a lot of money to build this road. Only the sand filling of this road no be here. So Bayelsa State is on the waterfront, not the water side. So we did the front of prosperity. And I am really, really impressed with the work that the governor is doing. And I also want to commend the great men and women of Bayelsa when the BC they collaborate with the governor so that they go fit do complete all the work when it don't start. Now you can see this is taxpayer money. Please bring your camera. Now you can see the solar light. This is solar light. Like as I first talk, this road now they go straight to the legislative quarter and the commissioner's quarter. There you can see with beautiful work that have been done in this place. Like as I first talk, now the YENAGOA new city, now be this. The night view. Now you can see the drive-through. You can see the great job that has been done by the executive governor of Bayelsa State. I am happy. Please show them this way. Show them this way. Make the people see. You can see the walk. You can see straight down. And this road, they go down. So guys, please, investors all over the world, come to Bayelsa State and invest because the governor don't create the ease of doing business. Come and invest because the more investors come into our state to invest, the more our youth will be employed and the rate of unemployment will go down naturally. The rate of unemployment will go down naturally. So please, guys, let's promote our state on a positive light because that is the only way investors can come in to invest. So even our people will be sure now want to go into real estate. Please come to Bayelsa and build real estate. On our way, want to go into massive farming, come to Bayelsa State because there is land. And those of them who want to do fish farm, river day, water day, so you not to get problem. Why? Because God don't help us for Bayelsa. Of a truth, the governor is doing well. And they ensure, say, prosperity for all. So my people, when I see the great job that have been done here, I'm happy for the work. As I'm happy, and I know you are also happy, please share this video, put it on our platform so that our people will see the great job that the governor have done. My name is Apostle Alfred Ojo, you know, sir. The man with the talk and they be remember, go and verify. The project is there. Go and verify. After verification, testify of the project. God bless you.
Douye Diri suwe me governor, no be mistake. Douye suwe me governor, no be mistake. Lawrence Orijagbo suwe me deputy, no be mistake. Nana we dovara, Jehovah get dovara, Nana we dovara. If you believe there is God, don't challenge his will. He has put a stamp on it, you better obey the Lord. Douye Diri suwe me governor, no be mistake.